Last year, I planted zucchini and cucumbers in large containers. This spring, an odd weed began to grow in each pot. I left it alone to see what it would do, and now it's actually pretty. Can you tell me what this is? And this is Lynn from Dresden, Ohio. So she let it grow, and now it's pretty.
Yes.
I tell folks all the time, they're wildflowers, right?
Yes.
Nature wildflowers. So what about that ID? You know what that is?
Mullein?
So I think that is. And I see it all the time. I live across from a wooded area, so it kind of grows, in that area. They're pretty though.
They are pretty, and we kind of joked about them last year with COVID, and we're calling them the toilet paper plant.
Yeah, I remember you saying that.
Yeah, they're soft and fuzzy,
Yeah.
and could be used for a multitude of things. But no, yeah, they really can grow into an attractive plant,
Yeah.
and eventually will bloom
Yeah.
if you leave them there.
Yeah, it's a biennial. Yeah, it pretty much blooms in the second year. Yeah, but beautiful yellow flowers, I think they are.
Oh no, like a big
Yeah,
tall
big
stalk.
tall stalk. Yeah, so it's pretty nice. I like the little fuzzy, the woolly hairs on the leaves. I think are pretty cool. So thank you, Lynn. How about that? She actually thinks they're pretty.
Yes.
That's pretty good. Thanks for watching the video. We hope you enjoyed. To subscribe, click below.